Chief Minister has called all the ministers for a breakfast, and before he submits the resignation, he wants to thank all the ministers for their cooperation and things like that. That's why he has called a breakfast meeting.
So will we be seeing Siddaramaiah sir now moving to national politics, sir, as a Rajya Sabha member there? Because as a senior party member from a party, sir, of course you would have a message about it as well. And the role that he has played as a OBC leader as well. So is the community ready for it? But firstly, will we see him in
No,
the
these decisions have to be taken by the High Command. So I at this point of time, I am not aware whether he was offered a position in Delhi. It is up to the High Command.
But sir, is the state leaders,
ಸತೀಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ.
So as a senior leader, sir, are senior leaders from the party ready to send Siddaramaiah to national politics, sir? Because party would require him in the
High Command. As I told you, it's all up to the High Command.
Sir, when is CM oath taking?
All that will be decided later. Thank you.
Sir, when is it expected likely?
Thank you.
So last question, you see, so the if at all the OBC community over there, they are going to react to it if Siddaramaiah has been made to step down.
And also Dalit community.
What kind of a repercussion do you see on the ground, sir? You know it better, you have sensed the pulse, sir.
You just wait and see.
Sir, also Dalit community, please.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, especially about is Congress ready because if Siddaramaiah
ನಿರ್ಭೀತ, ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಾರ್ಹ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರುವ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಗ ಆಪ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ QR ಕೋಡ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿರಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.